Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on talkback in realme phone. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and move to the setting icon. Here you will see click on the setting icon. Now you will see many option here. Scroll up some more, and you have see additional setting option. Click on that. You will see many options. Scroll up and click on the accessibility option. After that you have to click on the talkback option. After clicking on the talkback you will see many options, and you will also see that talkback is off in our mobile phone. So if you want to turn on talkback, so firstly on talkback in this way and allow talkback to have full control on your device, then okay. And here you will see in this way talkback is on in our mobile phone, and your mobile phone provide you spoken feedback. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.